Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete Facebook message from both sides. Because sometimes we send a lot of message to our friends and family and later need to delete it from both sides. So in this video, I will show you how you can do it. So firstly, go to Play Store and then write here Messenger. Your messenger should be updated. So after updating, open it. And then open that ID on which you want to delete message from both sides and hold on that message which you want to delete. So you will see three lines, click on it and click on remove options. And you will see unsend options, click on it. So in this way your message will be deleted from both sides. So you can see that this message I have sent to 27 December. So I can delete it from both sides very easily. So I will show you very recent message I have sent very recently. So if I delete it, so if I want to delete it, hold it and click on three dots and click on remove options and you will see under unsend options, click on it. So in this way you can delete Facebook message from both sides. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.